How to sign in to your Triangle credit card online. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1-2-Step. If you're also trying to sign in to your Triangle credit card account, in this video I'm going to show you the exact process that you need to successfully sign into it. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos just like this. Open up any of your web browsers and search for Triangle Union Credit Card Login. Once you do, it's gonna show you the direct link of the login section. So you just need to click on the login option and make sure that it is a website of trianglecu.org. So just click on this link and it's gonna show you the login box. Now first of all, type in the username that you created while signing up for Triangle Credit Union. In the second box, type in the password. If you want to save your username the next time you log in, you can toggle this option on. This way you no longer need to type in your username each time you visit this website. Now once you fill in both this information, your username and the password, you can click on login. But if you don't remember the password to your account, you can click on the forgot login option. And through this section you can type in your phone number and your username and they will send you a password so that you can access your account. But however, if the details entered are correct and if you click on login, you will be successfully logged in to your Triangle credit card account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorial videos just like this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.